Data packs. They're basically mods for Minecraft that are just in your individual worlds and not in every world, right? One of the downsides of Forge mods, for example, is one, you have to install Forge, an external mod loader, and two, you kind of get your mods everywhere or nowhere, right? It's one or the other. However, with data packs, you install your mods, your data packs, into individual single-player worlds, meaning you can have certain data packs on one world and certain data packs on another world without them interfering with each other. And that's one of the coolest things about data packs, in my opinion, for Minecraft. And in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to download and install data packs for Minecraft 1.19. First, though, as from our sponsor, Apex Minecraft Hosting, go to the first link down below, the breakdown.xyz/Apex, to get a 24-hour DDoS Protected Minecraft server for you and your friends. We host all of our servers on Apex Minecraft Hosting, and they are truly the best way to start your very own server. So if you want to start a server, whether it's public, whether it's private, whether it's modded, whether it has data packs, whether it has plugins, doesn't matter what you want to do with your server, you can do anything you want at Apex Minecraft Hosting. Again, that's the first link down below, the breakdown.xyz/Apex, to start your very own server. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and get data packs. The first thing you want to do is download them. To do that, you want to go to the second link in the description down below, and that's going to take you here. This is where we can scroll down, and once we're here, we can see a complete list of 1.19 data packs. Vanilla Tweaks is what we're going to be installing here, but all of these are installed the exact same way. So once you're here, click on the download button for what you want. Now, the reason I'm installing Vanilla Tweaks is because it's actually multiple data packs that can be installed in Minecraft. So as you can see, we have Armor Status, Fast Leaf Decay, Graves, all of this stuff, and you can just click them, which ones you want, right? And on the right hand side, it's going to add them into this downloader. By the way, don't forget to look under items and mobs and all sorts of stuff like that that you can get. It truly is incredible. Now, one thing that I will note is that under a lot of these, there is the video, right? So video is a way that you can actually go see more information about these, and it takes you off to a video about them. Nevertheless, on the right hand side, let's go ahead and click download, and it will take us off to add focus, where you don't want to click anything on this page whatsoever. Just put your hands in the air when you land on add focus here. Just wait about 10 seconds, and then after about 10 seconds, a red skip button will appear in the top right. That's the only thing you want to click, is that red skip button in the top right, and boom, there we go. In the bottom left, Vanilla Tweaks will start downloading. Now, if we minimize our browser, Vanilla Tweaks won't be there. We need to get it out of our downloads folder. So to do that, click the little Windows icons in the top left of my screen, probably in the bottom left of your screen or bottom center of your screen on Windows 11. Then type in downloads. You have this downloads file folder here. Open this up, and in here, we will have Vanilla Tweaks. Drag this to your desktop. Now, as you can see in the file name, right, it says unzip me. So we're going to do that. Right click and click on extract all. Then click extract. And now we have a new folder here on our desktop. This one doesn't have a zip on it. This one has just, well, a basically folder. So we can delete the one with the zip file. This is what we want. Open this up, and in here you will find all of the Vanilla Tweaks data packs: Anti-Creeper Grief, Armor Status, Fast Leaf Decay, Graves, and Spawn. Any other data packs you download will be in a .zip format like this. Now, you may not have to unzip them, and should you unzip them and you see things like this, you didn't need to unzip it, right? So just install the zip file. Now, thus, we want to take all these and drag them to our desktop, right like so. Now, with all of our data packs on our desktop, we can get them installed by opening up Minecraft. So I may or may not have already worked ahead and have Minecraft open here. So once you're in Minecraft, we're going to install these on an existing world first, specifically /spawn on an existing world, and then I'm going to install all of these on a new world. So single player, the seed here, we're going to go ahead and click on it. Don't double click on it, just click on it one time, and then click on edit. Then you want to go to Open World Folder. This is going to open up your world folder right like so, and then you'll have data packs. Right there it is. Now, all we need to do is drag and drop our data pack. It should be a zip folder, right? Drag and drop it into your data packs folder. Now, if we come back over here into Minecraft, we can click Save and play this world right like so. And once we're in the world, we can use /trigger spawn, and it will teleport us to the world spawn. I believe you don't have to set the spawn, but if we do /trigger here, spawn, there we go. It teleports to the world spawn. Right like so. Let's do it again. /trigger spawn, and boom, there we go. Maybe it's not set. Let's see. Is it actually teleporting? Yeah, it is. Okay. Let's see what's happening. There we go. So that is how you can teleport to the world spawn. However, what if you want to install these on a new world? Well, it's actually kind of cool that they've added this in. By the way, any data packs you want to install are installed that same way. Click Edit, Open World Folder, and add them to this data packs folder. And again, this is per world. So if we go into this world here, you click Edit and Open World Folder, that spawn data pack's not in there. It's per world. To do this to a new world though, click on Create New World, and then click on Data Packs. Then click Open Pack Folder in the bottom left. Now what you want to do is drag and drop all of the data packs into this folder. We don't have /spawn because I accidentally added that to the other one. Instead of copying it, I just dragged and dropped. But nevertheless, now these are in here. You can close out of this folder, and here they are. Now, by default, they're not activated. You need to hover over them and click the play button to move them to selected section. Now click done, and it's going to reload, and boom, your data packs are installed. You can confirm that by clicking data packs and making sure they're in selected. You can name the world, set the world like you normally would at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and name this the data packs world, right like so. And let's go ahead and do something interesting. We're going to make these seed data packs. Why not? Go ahead and create new world now, and it's going to load in with all of these data packs installed by default. Now, at this point, I want to mention some troubleshooting with data packs. Let's say you've installed a data pack and it's not working and you can't figure out why. Well, you may need to reload Minecraft, but if you don't have cheats enabled, you're not even going to be able to do that. So let's solve that problem real fast. So once we're in game here, these are all just going to work, but let's say they didn't. Let's say we needed to reload. Now, if you have cheats enabled, you can just do /reload, right like so. Boom, it works. But if you don't have cheats, what you want to do is hit escape, click on Open LAN World, and click on Allow Cheats, right like so. Then click Start LAN World, and just like that, if you couldn't before, you'll now be able to reload. Let's go ahead and test these data packs, one of which was Anti-Creeper Grief. This is one of my favorite ones because, it entails us spawning in a bunch of creepers and then letting them kill me. So let's go ahead and do that real fast, boom, and then we want to go to Game Mode Survival, and there we go. And I didn't die because of no creeper grief. It actually kind of freaked me out. So I want to spawn in some more here. Just so you can see, boom, 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 boom. No creeper grief is active. One of them that was also active, though, is gravestones. So it's kind of morbid, but we need to game mode creative. Fly up here, and whenever we're far enough up, turn on survival. Because, we need to get a gravestone going, and there it is. Boom. Respawn, and I think where did I add over here? Gravestone seems to not be working. Interesting. So that is a little bug there. One of the reasons that a data pack might not be working is that there could just be a bug in the data pack. We'll test that here again in a second because it looks like it may have tried to spawn, but it didn't. Very odd. So another data pack that we installed was armor stands, and unfortunately we can do /AS help or trigger AS help in chat, and we can get the customizable book by crafting a book titled statuses. As you can see, I'm not going to do that. It's installed, as you can see in chat there. We're good to go. Last but not least is the fast leaf decay here. If we come on up, it will start decaying a lot faster after a few seconds. There we go. I think you can see it is decaying a lot faster than it is in vanilla Minecraft. Vanilla Minecraft kind of takes forever with that. So there we go. It's not super fast like I've seen with some mods, but it's moving faster for sure. Now, last but not least, I did want to test gravestones one more time because that was very odd. What I wanted to do was fill my inventory with a bunch of stuff and just kind of see what happens. It could just be a bug in the data pack, but I've used gravestones for many versions without any issues, but maybe in 1.19 it is actually broken. So let's go ahead and see, and boom. Yeah, gravestones is not working. Very interesting, and honestly very unfortunate, but maybe it is just where we started. This is a new world. Maybe if you add it to existing world, it'll work, but we'll be sure to report that as well. Nevertheless, thank you so much for watching. That's how you can install data packs, even if they are being a bit buggy for us today. Nevertheless, my name is Nick. We'll see you in the next video, and I'm out. Peace.